Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential cryptos to buy in the month of May. So these 4 cryptos are either, breaking out right now or have potential to break out as they've been consolidating for the past few weeks or months. And it's time for a breakout in my opinion. And we're going to be looking at some news that also is accommodating these cryptos that could potentially help it rise on up as well. So in general, the market is down about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. We see some top gainers right here, Ethereum Classic. If you watched yesterday's video, guys, you would have, caught this gain. So yesterday we talked about Ethereum and it's up about what, 45% since then, which is amazing, guys. So if you watched yesterday's videos, that's why you want to stay subscribed to the channel, because we talk about, big potential runners like this, and Ethereum Classic was one. Now, obviously, with Ethereum Classic, it's pretty unknown as to why it's running up this fast. A lot of people are saying because it has a very similar name to Ethereum, so a lot of people are mixing it up with Ethereum Classic. But, I don't mind that, as long as we're making gains, it fits. So as long as you can get some gains on it, it doesn't matter what the coin's name is. So right here, Bitcoin down about 2% in the past 24 hours, trading at around 54,600. And then we have Ethereum up about 1%. So it always seems to be up even when Bitcoin is down, trading at around 3,300 right now. Dogecoin, wow, up 40%. It's about to break through the 60 cents area. We saw it hit about 60 cents earlier today in the day. Now it's at around 59 cents. This one is going to be running, guys. Like we said, we're going to be watching Dogecoin go into Saturday when Elon Musk is going to be on the, Saturday Night Live show. Dogecoin could easily break through the $1 barrier by Saturday or on Saturday, in my opinion, which is crazy because just a few weeks ago we were talking about how Dogecoin has no chance of reaching $1. But look at it now. It's still continuing to pump. So a lot of people are getting in on it and, could be some potential gains to make, guys. So, yeah. Now, before we get into our countdown, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. I challenge you guys to smash it. You guys can do it. I definitely know you guys can do it. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers, guys. I never believed we could reach that. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We make a crypto video or penny stock video every single day on this channel. So subscribe. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now? What crypto should we talk about in our next video? And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800 when you sign up today. Links are going to be in the description. Now let's get into it. So the first coin on our list is going to be Cardano, ADA. So this one is the one that we want to talk about that's been trading sideways for a while now. So this one pretty flat in the past 24 hours. In the past week, flat again, only up about 1%, trading at $1.32. Market cap at 42.2 billion. Volume 3 billion in the past 24 hours. The circulating supply at around 31.9 billion coins. In the past month, let's see how it's doing. Only up about 10%. And I say only, which is, a great, gain, I guess, but only 10% compared to some of these other coins that are up, 50, 100, 200% in the past month or so. So this is, a lot lower than some of these other coins. Now, obviously with Cardano, this is going to be a proof of stake system. This is different from the proof of work system of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, this validates, transactions without requiring crypto mining and other high energy usage actions. Now, it uses certain validators who put up a stake that is a risk to attest to a particular blockchain authenticity and get rewarded as a result. So by contract, miners in a proof of work system act like a validator who receive cryptocurrency tokens rewards. So technically, Cardano is a move, progressive, anti-energy usage blockchain and a token system. So that is what Cardano is. And there's a lot of people that are, very, very hyped on Cardano for the future, saying that this is going to be a major coin. And it actually is. It is a major coin already, even though the market cap is only at around, 42.2 billion. This coin is still huge, and it has so much more potential to continue to grow as we go throughout the years and as cryptocurrency is going to grow as well. So Cardano is definitely one to add to your radar, guys. Just a quick overview over it since we've talked about it in the past videos. We don't want to repeat ourselves, right? Coming in at number 2 on our crypto list for May is going to be VeChain, VET. So VeChain is currently trading at under 20 cents. It's at around 19 cents, down about 4.5% in the past 24 hours. Now, you guys might say, wow, it's in the red. Why are you covering it? Well, we don't only cover, a crypto that's in the green. Sometimes you have to look for opportunities. Just because all of these other cryptos are high, flying high, doesn't mean that that's all we're going to be talking about because they're already up. We want to look at, cryptocurrency that is on the low still or hasn't broken out yet. We want to, get it before the run. You don't want to get in and then get stuck bag holding because you bought in on the hype. you want to get in early before everybody else. So VeChain is definitely one that I'm looking at right now personally. Market cap at 12.6 billion, 2.4 billion volume in the past 24 hours, circulating supply 64 billion coins. In the past week, this one's down about 7%. Like I said, it is down. In the past month, up about 106%, but in the past few weeks, it has been down a little bit. So we could see another push through, on higher to get back up to these highs that we saw around, 27, 28 cents per coin. Now, in the past year, it's up obviously 4,300%, which is massive, but we could see a lot more potential going into this coin. This coin could easily 10x and be, trading around $2 or so in the future. So with VeChain, VET on cusp of a major rally as developers pitch ENFTs. So right here, if we take a look, VeChain news, the VeChain price has gained recently after the developers talked about the enterprise non-fungible tokens ENFT strategy. In the paper, they made the case that NFTs could also be used to unlock unprecedented and sustainable value for businesses. They also identified the key building blocks for its ENFT to work. Now, first, it needs to have a valuable asset that is linked to the NFT. This will ensure that the overall value used is bigger than the cost incurred. Now, second, the ownership represented by the NFT needs to be enforceable. And finally, NFT trading will need to be enforceable. They noted that the VeChain Thor blockchain network will be the best choice to enforce ENFTs because of the strong proof of authority consensus. Now, cheaper transactions and fee delegation as well. So down here they wrote, as we continue to discuss the enterprise about their specific requirements and use cases, we will be looking at enhancing the current NFT standards to make them fit the needs of enterprises. The new standards will be published as the VIPs and implemented as open source software for developers. So obviously VeChain price predictions. So down here, as they're saying, therefore, in their view, they're saying that the next key resistance at around 25 cents. This prediction will be invalid if the price moves below 20 cents. Now, it did move down to about 19 cents right now, but we will see what happens if it can break through those highs again and continue to go higher, like we said, and hopefully break through 30 cents or so in the next few months as we see, the crypto continue to boom and everything else is pulling on higher as well. The third cryptocurrency on our list is going to be one that is well known. So it's going to be Litecoin, LTC. So this is kind of, back in the day, they used to say Bitcoin was the gold and Litecoin was like the silver. It's kind of had that analogy right there. So right here, this one is trading at $336, up 18% in the past 24 hours. Huge move in the past 24 hours. In the past week, up about 29%. In the past month, 66%. In the past year, 621%. And then on the all-time chart, almost 12,000%. Now, it still has not broken through that previous high we had in 2017, around the 420 area right there, which I remember like it was yesterday because that's when I was definitely beginning to look into, these coins. And I remember missing out. Me and a buddy of mine, we were, wanted to get into it around $60 or $70 per coin. And it took so long to create a account. By the time we created our account, the coin was already skyrocketing higher and higher, and we definitely did not get in on Litecoin. So that's a funny story that I've always talked about with some friends. So market cap 22 billion right now, volume 12.7 billion. This one, let's take a look. So where will LTC go after this rally? So right now, it's taking the momentum of the crypto movement this week and translating it to big gains with its newest surge. It hopes to put its turbulent last few years behind it and look toward reaching new all-time highs. Litecoin price predicts are largely optimistic for the coin as well. So Litecoin is one of the oldest crypto plays, like we said, a fork of Bitcoin. Litecoin was created in 2011. Now, it was created with a much faster blockchain time than Bitcoin, and its low fees make it a popular platform for micro transactions. Now, right here, if we take a look, their price predictions suggest some big moves. The Inves piece makes a prediction of around $350 per coin. We have Prime XBT suggests that Litecoin is on a clear breakout and is therefore very bullish. They predict that the coin could climb as high as $600 through the end of the year. We have another one right here, equally bullish, is the Economy Forecast Agency. They're predicting it 614 by December, but suggest that highs could be as much as 762, which is insane. That's 100% gain on Litecoin. Wow. FXL Leaders predicts a still optimistic price point for Litecoin, betting the crypto will be between 500 and 600 in about 12 months or so. And then right here we have a little bit of a bearish from FX Street. They say that, 317 resistance level it faces. However, a breakthrough here would lead to a significant rally according to the site. So they're a little bit more bearish, but Most of these guys are predicting around the $600 price range for a Litecoin, which would give it an upside of about, 100% or so, which is crazy. It would be at a market cap close to 45, 50 billion, which is, definitely doable. And that would definitely break through that 2017 resistance that we saw at around the 420 area. And last but not least on our list is going to be Chainlink coming in at number 4, LINK. So we've talked about Chainlink in the past as well. This one is doing very well. Unlike Cardano, this one is breaking out. So this one, market cap at around 20 billion, currently right under $50 per coin, up about 23% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, 34%. In the past month, 61%. And then in the past year, over 1,200%. But in the past month, as we see, it's only up 61%. And we say only, once again, only because some of these other altcoins are blowing up, 100, 200, 500, 1,000% in the past month or so, while Chainlink is still a little bit lower. So this one, in my opinion, gives me more opportunity for a breakout, just like we talked about with Cardano, because the coin has not exploded on up higher already. You can get in early, I guess you could say, potentially, and catch that run up before the hype starts and everybody else gets into the coin as well. So Cardano, we talked about it many times, but we'll do a quick glance. This is a Chainlink as a cryptocurrency aiming to incentivize a global network of computers to provide reliable real-world data to smart contracts running on top of the blockchains. Now, obviously, smart contracts are an agreement programmed to execute if and when certain conditions are met. To date, smart contracts have been used for everything from creating novel crypto financial products to developing new crypto assets. However, an issue that has been persisted is that the most smart contracts need to rely on some kind of external data source to properly execute their terms. For example, smart contracts seeking to replicate bonds or insurance agreements may need access to the APIs reporting on the market price or Internet of Things data. Now, Chainlink was created to address this issue by incentivizing data providers to act as a bridge between blockchain smart contracts and external data sources. Now, every oracle within the Chainlink network is incentivized to provide accurate data since a reputation score is assigned to each. Further, when nodes follow the software rules and provide useful data, they are rewarded in Chainlink's cryptocurrency Link. So that is what they do. Now, the Chainlink team has been able to deliver on its vision, expanding efforts beyond Ethereum amid a surge in the market activity as well. So as of 2020, Chainlink is seeking to support all blockchain-based smart contract networks. So Chainlink, very, very nice coin to look at. A lot of potential for the future. Once again, definitely could, see this one do about a 4 or 5x in the years to come. It will be trading around $250 per coin. Definitely something that I could personally be seeing happen in the long run, especially as crypto continues to grow and more people continue to get in on the crypto space. As we wrap up the video, guys, we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Obviously, like we said, huge pullback down here, down to about 52,000 or so. But it continues to come back up after those, dumps. Now, Ethereum staying strong, up over 3,000, 300 right now, doing very well. Dogecoin trying to break through that 60 cents area. We saw it here earlier today at around 60 cents, almost 61 cents, which is huge. Now, some big news in the crypto space. Financial advisors lead the institutional push towards crypto adoption, which is huge. So in the past, there were, plenty of reasons for financial advisors to dismiss Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a worthy investment. But all of that is starting to change as more institutions become attended to the digital asset class. A face-melting rally for Bitcoin between September 2020 and April 2021 amplified the need to push beyond the narrative that digital assets are simply too volatile to include in client portfolios. Now, this is starting to change, which is a good sign. Now, we also seen eBay says that they are open to accepting cryptocurrencies in the future, exploring NFTs. This is huge news, especially for eBay. So eBay is open to the possibility of accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payments in the future and is looking at ways to get non-fungible tokens on its platform, the company said on Monday. Now, we've seen some even, sports teams in the United States, they're starting to accept Dogecoin and different coins for, tickets. So a growing number of companies have begun to accept virtual currencies as a form of payment, taking an asset class that had been shunned by major financial institutions a few years ago, a step closer to becoming mainstream. Now, Tesla is already accepting Bitcoin as payment for its electric cars, which is huge. Now, while payment giant PayPal last year started allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies using its online wallet, which is also another huge thing for us as more and more companies continue to get on board with the crypto space, which is definitely a great thing. That just shows us that cryptocurrency is just in the beginning stages right now, and it's continuing to grow, and it's going to grow for years and years to come. So, guys, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is for educational purposes only. Before investing, make sure you do your own due diligence and speak to your financial advisor if you're investing into crypto or even stocks. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Let's aim for 30,000 subscribers by the end of May. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at? What crypto should we be talking about in our future videos? And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.